teachers! Welcome to the first in a series of videos to help you get the best out of your new Hooray Let's Play coursebooks. In this video, we're going to be talking all things digital, but not in the way you might think. You know what it's like sometimes. You get a coursebook at the beginning of the school year with great digital material, but then you get assigned a classroom without an interactive board or even a projector. What do? Do you abandon the digital material altogether and stick to good old paper? Or is there a way you can still use it? Well, don't worry. We're going to give you 3 great ways you can utilize the new Hooray Let's Play Teacher's Eye solutions without a digitally equipped classroom. Audios are always a big part of coursebooks for very young learners. There are listening activities, stories, songs and videos to engage learners in the content of each of the 6 units. On the Teacher's Eye solutions, all of these audios are organised into their units and are handily located next to their corresponding activity. In class, always have your computer open on the correct page and you'll be able to find the audio track quickly and easily. Most importantly, you won't waste time searching for the correct audio track, and your transitions between activities are going to be much smoother with fewer opportunities for disruptions. All you need are a set of speakers and a laptop or tablet. Flashcards are a must-have in every class of very young learners, but it can sometimes be difficult to organise them physically in a way which makes them easy to use out of the order they appear in the book. The flashcard bank on the Teacher's Eye solutions is a great way to get around this, whether you have an interactive whiteboard or not. Simply create a bank of words online that you can amend and add to instantly. As you go through each unit, you can include words that students find tricky or that you want to go back and revise. Just make a list for each of your groups and either show them on an electronic device such as a tablet or print them off and get students to practice them in groups. It's definitely much easier than going through all the flashcards each time or making a note of the words you need to revise. What child doesn't love a little game to practice the language they've seen in class? Recently, we've become so reliant on digital boards to be able to present and play these games that we've forgotten how to incorporate them into our more digitally light classes. The game generator on the Teacher's Eye solutions is a fantastic tool to create engaging practice at a moment's notice. If you haven't got an interactive whiteboard, you can still replicate the generated games on a traditional whiteboard, using physical flashcards, drawings, or words. You can also make use of the accompanying audio as the students are playing. So, those are our 3 top tips when it comes to using digital tools without digital boards in class. If you're in this situation, then please do have a look at the online material that comes with your new Hooray Let's Play coursebook and think about how you can make the most of it in your classes. Goodbye for now.